Hello everyone, welcome to the featured video of Product Per Page for WooCommerce. This plugin is developed by FME Addons, a leading WooCommerce plugins development company having more than 2,000 happy customers. Let's see what this plugin can do for you. Product Per Page selector option to help your customers to select the number of products they wish to see after landing on the shop page. Products Per Page plugin allows the admin to display the Product Per Page selector option on multiple places on the shop page. Customize the number of columns you wish to show on your shop page with the help of the Product Per Page plugin. This plugin allows you to enable the cookie for customers, so they do not need to set their desired settings every time they visit your store. Product Per Page plugin is fully compatible with HPOS, high-performance order storage, and multi-site. Let's see what this plugin can do for you. Show Product Per Page selector to optimizes page load time. Product Per Page plugin allows you to customize number of columns on shop page. For backend configuration, go to documentation page. Thank you for watching. If you have any further queries, feel free to contact our support team.